How's it going, everybody? I have a Galaxy Note 8 that the USB connector will not accept a charge. I have to wiggle the cable around and lift it up or down just so that it will connect. Some cables it doesn't even see the cable, and I'm at the point now where I can't even get it to charge. So what I ended up doing was buying this part here from Amazon, which is the replacement USB connector, and I'm going to try installing it myself. What I already did was pried the back cover off, and how I did that was I took the stylus pen out, wedged an object in here. There's other ways to do it. If you have the pry tools, I would use that. But you pop the sides open, and all throughout the back you're going to see these little tabs all along the sides. So what you want to do is start prying each tab off. Don't worry, you're not going to break it. If you use a plastic pry tool, you won't scratch the edges off right over here. So what I did, you can see I scratched some of the plastic, but I eventually popped all of this off. You want to make sure that your SD card is removed, because your SD card touches the plastic and it also wedges into the slot on the device. So if you take that off, you'll be fine. If you don't take it off, you'll end up possibly breaking either the slot or your memory card. So I got this off here. You can see the battery, camera, everything. At the very bottom, right over here, is the connector that we're going to be replacing. You'll see these a few tabs. There's a tab here, and there's a tab here that we're going to lift up with a screwdriver or a flat pry tool. There's two screws here that we're going to remove, and there's another screw right here that we're going to remove. So I'm going to go ahead and try to do that right now. So there's a piece of metal right here that covers one of the metal connectors, the cable connectors. So I took off the screw at the bottom and I needed to pry it up. There is a glue or tape right over here. I don't know if you can see it. That holds it down right here. So what I'm going to end up doing is lifting up this cable piece, and now after I have this cable off, and this cable off, you should be able to just pull it straight out. There you go. And now I'm going to replace it with the new one. What I ended up doing, I ended up taking out some of the screws that hold the battery in, but you don't need to do that. Here's the new device. Looks exactly the same. So we're going to slide it in. Make sure you don't bend the cables. Slide it in. It goes into place perfectly. Wires go down, go down, go down. And that's it. Put the screws that you took out back, close it up, and you're pretty much done. that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, leave some comments. I will put the link of the card that I bought in the description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for other videos, how-tos, video games, and unboxings. Thank you.